Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and this morning we're going to take a quick look at our 2019 Sea Ray 290 Sundeck Outboard. We're going to start with the way we've powered this boat. It has the new Mercury Verado V8, 250 horsepower, with the optional white paint, and this also has the joystick piloting. As we make our way into the boat, you'll see we've set it up with the sea deck matting across the swim platform. Nice big sun pad on the transom of the boat. These sun pads do lift up to give you some behind the knee support for aft facing seating. As we step in, you'll notice we have a sideboarding step. You have a electric grill, freshwater sink, and 12-volt refrigerator. Plenty of seating inside the boat. Nice wraparound seating for entertaining. Each of these seats do have storage under them, and one of the nicest pieces of storage in this boat is what you get by going with the outboard engine. The motor box, where the I/O would have been, turns into a massive storage compartment. Great for carrying beach chairs and all of your gear. This boat is equipped with the white water sports tower, navy blue canvas. The boat does have a navy blue hull. Making our way up, you've got reversible backrests to give you aft-facing loungers on each side. The helm seat and the companion seat both have a flip-up thigh rise. This boat is equipped with the Simrad flush-mounted GPS chart plotter and engine functions. Fusion stereo. As I'd mentioned earlier, the boat is equipped with the joystick piloting for ease of docking. Also gives you the skyhook feature. All of the Mercury Verados are digital throttle and shift. Port side gives you a nice head compartment, very nicely finished, freshwater sink, vacuum flush head, great trim work in there. Making our way up to the bow, you do have a bow block-off door and a closable window to keep the cool mornings a little bit warmer. Up in the bow of the boat, you have two full-length loungers, port and starboard side, with flip-down armrests. Storage compartment in the floor. You do have an optional bow table that's included with this boat, and this boat is equipped with the windlass anchor. That's a real quick walkthrough of our 2019 Sea Ray 290 Sundeck Outboard. If you'd like to see this boat in person, contact me, Dean Ashton, here at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach, 910-256-8100.